We've been called out to fix an electric gate in Cardiff. Somebody's installed a CAMAY gate system, and actually it's a very good CAMAY system, or a top of the range CAMAY system, quite expensive. But in this instance, the client has already had us come in and we've changed one of the motors, which was quite expensive. They called us back because the gate stopped working 2 months down the line, and it turns out that the other motor is now broke, so the client's got yet another bill, all because this system wasn't serviced. Your electric gates need to be serviced regularly. Make sure you have a reputable company, preferably a gate-safe company, that can come out and service your electric gates. It is very important, otherwise you're going to end up like this client, where it says encoder not working, motor 1. That is not a good thing. These gates have never been serviced in the 10 years they've been installed. They've never really been serviced, so the client's had really good use of them, but it's now time to start upgrading it. So the client's got quite a hefty bill if they want their electric gates working again. Lesson number 1, get your electric gates serviced by a reputable company. Peace.